Jai Janendra, as the sun rises in the east, the sun is rising on our project as we are laying the Ghabhara concrete today. And you can see that the temple is coming together. Off in the distance, you can see the concrete has been poured for the rear portion. And today is the big day. We're in our Ghabharas at the Shwetambar temple and the Digambar temple. We will be pouring the concrete to define our Ghabharas, and you can see how deep it is with that hard hat well below the level, and everything is being prepared as we speak with the concrete trucks coming and the concrete pumper on site.
This is the site concrete being poured today for the Ghabhara section of the Parshvanath temple. Later on during today, we will also pour the concrete to the Adinath temple. This is ready for pouring concrete today.
We just saw the work from the ground level. But now, let's change the gears and take a look at our site from a bird's eye. Can you recognize the Parshvanath Derasar? Could you find the Adinath temple? Could you recognize the Sthana? Let's see if you can recognize through a bird's eye view.